Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's continue to know more about AutoCAD. So today let's learn about these top features. So we have this first feature here, which is written A. What do we call it? We just call it an application menu. This is an application menu. This is an application menu. A. Then this section, what do you call this other, the remaining section up to this section? This one is what we call the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. Whenever you want to save, you can click on that so that it can do your work more easily. So it's like something like a shortcut in some other way. We move to this section here. This one is what is known as the title bar. So whatever you will be drawing in your model will be whenever you save your work, it will appear in this section. So this is our title of our drawing. So it is known as a title bar. Then we move. So again, all this section from here, this section here, from here to this end section is what is known as the information center. This is the info center. Then this one is when you want to minimize your work so that you can go to another application or another app, you can click on that. Whenever you want to maximize, click on that. Whenever you want to close your drawing or close your work, you do this to escape from this AutoCAD window. So you click on that, close. So that's the function of that upper region. So all this section is what is known as the ribbon. All this section is what is known as the ribbon. This ribbon contains modeling, it contains solid editing, it contains draw, it contains modify, section, coordinates, view, section, all those. So that's the ribbon. We call it the ribbon tab. Call it the ribbon. So again, whenever you want to minimize your drawing, you can use this to minimize your drawing. You can use this to maximize your drawing, and you can use to close that drawing of yours. Again, when you move downwards here, you will be able to see that we have a view cube and the navigation. This is a view cube and the navigation bars here. So that is it. This is our model space, the place which we are going to use to draw our model space. Then this one is what is known as the UCS icon. When you want to draw in 2D, you will have the X and Y coordinates. When you want to draw in maybe 3D, you can have the X, Y, and the Z coordinates, meaning you can be able to view your drawing in 3 dimensions. This other side here, this one, this section, we call the in canvas viewport control. This one, whenever you want to put it in southeast, what you can click on this section, or if you look from this other side, you click southeast. That way it changes this to that. Whenever you want to return it back, go to new, go back to new. So you click on to go back to top. So that's the in canvas section. So that's the UCS icon we had said earlier, and whatever is moving here, so that's it. So you can add another drawing. So this one is what is known as the cursor. This is the cursor, and this is the cursor, this one which is moving, we call it the cursor. Thank you.